Why are drug prices so high? Because drug corporations write the rules of how we price drugs. It all starts with patents on new drugs. Those are temporary monopolies authorized by the government that allow pharmaceutical companies to set whatever price they want. These protections are supposed to expire after a few years to allow for cheaper, generic versions to enter the market, but instead companies make small and insignificant changes to the original drugs in order to extend their patents even longer. Sometimes all that's changed is the packaging. Drug makers can also, in effect, pay the makers of generic drugs to delay production. These so-called pay-for-delay agreements are illegal in almost every other advanced nation, but they become normal ways in America to settle patent infringement lawsuits, and they generate huge profits for the industry. In other instances, pharmaceutical companies buy the rights to drugs that have been made available for decades, make minor changes, and then set the prices through the roof. Big Pharma wants us to believe that its costs are driven by expensive research and development. That is rubbish. In 2013, a Forbes study showed that pharmaceuticals are the most profitable sector of the whole economy, raking in profit margins of almost 20%. In reality, a great deal of the original research into new cures uses public funding, paid for by your taxes. Instead, pharmaceutical companies spend billions on aggressive advertising campaigns and high-paid executives. 9 out of 10 big drug companies spend more on sales and marketing than on research and development. There are at least 3 things we can do to curb price gouging by drug companies. First, allow Medicare to use its bargaining power to negotiate lower drug prices. Second, stop companies from gaming the patent system to keep prices high. And third, life-saving drugs developed with publicly funded research should be available to everyone at an affordable price. All 3 measures are overwhelmingly popular with the public. So why haven't they moved forward? Because Big Pharma is one of the biggest spenders in Washington, dumping vast sums into lobbying and campaign contributions. We, you and I, have to remind members of Congress that they work for us, not for Big Pharma.